Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome, viewers. Let's keep sure it's simple. Get your sketchbook and colorful markers or crayons. Draw a slightly curved line across the page, like a smile. Choose a color for the first stripe, like red. Draw a straight line from the top to the bottom along the curve. Repeat with orange next to red. Repeat with yellow next, and so on. Remember the order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Make each stripe the same width or vary it for a playful look. Connect the stripes to form a continuous colorful arc. Use your chosen colors to fill in each stripe neatly. Enjoy creating your vibrant rainbow in your sketchbook. Add clouds or sunshine around it for extra charm. If you make a mistake, no worries. Art is all about fun. Take your time and don't rush the coloring process. Experiment with different shades of each color. Feel free to customize your rainbow with more or fewer colors. Take a step back to admire your beautiful creation. Share it with others or keep it as a cheerful reminder. Embrace the joy of drawing and expressing yourself. Consider adding details like raindrops or butterflies. Let your imagination guide you in making it unique. Try different art supplies to discover your favorite. Practice drawing rainbows in different styles and sizes. Celebrate the simplicity and positivity of rainbows. Connect with the emotions that colors evoke for you. Experiment with shading to add depth to your rainbow. Appreciate the calming and creative process of drawing. Share your artwork with friends or family for smiles. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to draw a rainbow. Trust your instincts and enjoy the artistic journey. Use this activity to unwind and relax your mind. You can create rainbows in landscapes or abstract designs. Consider using watercolor paints for a different effect. Explore various techniques to make your rainbow stand out. Take inspiration from real rainbows or let your mind wander. Don't forget to sign your masterpiece when you are done. Reflect on the positive energy your rainbow reflects. Frame your rainbow drawing to brighten up your space. Experiment with drawing rainbows in different seasons. Feel free to mix and match colors for a unique twist. Celebrate the beauty of diversity through your artwork. Draw smaller rainbows in the corners for added charm. Allow yourself to get lost in the world of colors. Share your love for rainbows through your artwork. Feel free to mix and match colors for a unique twist. Celebrate the beauty of diversity through your artwork. Draw smaller rainbows in the corners for added charm. Allow yourself to get lost in the world of colors. Consider drawing a series of rainbows with various themes. Share your love for rainbows through your artwork. Enjoy the process of creating something joyful. Keep practicing and exploring your artistic style. Enjoy the process of creating something to enjoyful. Keep practicing and exploring your artistic style. Embrace the happiness your rainbow brings to your sketchbook. Thank you so much for watching this video.